Visit EO Executive Optical today. Thank you so much, Del Sundumal. May nakakatin lang yung...
This place looks familiar. I think I've been here before.
The first time Josiah wanted to come to the Philippines, he actually did not have anything on hand. He wanted to treat people because there were a lot of people in pain and most of the doctors could not help them either. So my first problem was, where can he treat patients? I was able to find a place by asking my landlady, and they offered the place. Second was, he had to have a treatment table, but I could not find one which was suited to the purpose. But he was about to come the next day, so I had no option but to ask a carpenter to make one for me. This was a successful case.
I met him just this January. 3 days after my scheduled surgery, I want to consider the options. I did a lot of research. The doctor, of course, I will tell you what they know, and they will tell you the options. When I go to see a doctor, I go to the hospital. But Josiah went to the house we stayed in. So when I met Josiah and I asked him what his field of practice was, he said osteopathy. So he said osteopathy, and he explained to me that he actually is going to work on my spine, not just where it was hurting, because the concept was that from the head and to the bones, it really is where nerves come out and exit, and that's why I feel pain here, because my the spine that got affected was in my level 4, level 5. But with him, he said he's going to work on the soft tissues first. So he needs to work on me, and depends on my body's response, he will adjust me. And it sounds logical, because it's like looking at my body as a whole. I did not have to take any medication, no drugs, no pills. My greatest hope is when he actually is finished with treating me, I actually don't need to go surgery. So for me, it's like the shortness of the treatment he has given me and the pain relief that I have without medication is a very big advantage. Professionally, he speaks about their condition. He explains it, which is also something unique, because not many doctors, maybe because they're always rushing, they have so many patients to attend to. But with Josiah, he takes it like he needs to explain to the patient their condition. Of course, he's also very kind. He's very kind, especially, at least in my case, he likes talking. He likes talking with friends, and he welcomes everyone. Like when he treats, it's okay with him if many people are there. And I think he even finds it fun when he treats and many people show interest in his patients and in the kind of treatment he gives them.
I met Josiah almost 10 years ago. He's the kind of person who grows on you. So, and then he will just smile. He always had that big smile on his face. So he made me very comfortable. Now, how did we become friends? The way it happened was, he insisted that we became friends. And he was very honest about the things that were happening in his life.
I met Josiah through my mom's friend. I met him last February. After my first treatment, I actually didn't think it would really work on me, but I really felt the difference after the first time because my back really got better, and I really think it would be really helpful, this treatment, for the people who has injuries on the back and who has pain in the back. I think by treating my back and teaching me how to take care of myself better, by not hurting myself and taking extra good care of my back and different parts of my body. I think Josiah changed my life by teaching me those, and because I need to use those parts when I dance. I think that by Josiah teaching me those, I become a better person as a dancer.
My dream is to help more people get healthy. I remember one year I was involved with a medical mission in China, and I find the place lined up with thousands of people wanting our services. That is when I realized there are too few of us taking care of too many patients, and that's why I find there's urgent need to train more people, the skill to help people who are suffering unnecessarily.
It's very different actually, because for a person to get involved with alternative medicine, you have to be different. You have to have that vision for something different. So he is really different. As I said, he's an unusual man.
The form of medicine I practice is called holistic medicine. It is also called complementary medicine or alternative medicine. It is not just practiced by myself, but actually more and more practitioners in the world are using more holistic therapy for the well-being of their patients. Nowadays, the medical problems faced by human race are more to do with degeneration, pollution, chemicals in the environment, and our food substance. We tend to forget that we have to live in harmony with nature's law. Holistic medicine is more cost-effective because we try to treat the cause rather than the symptoms of the illnesses, and also is more preventive and is a more proactive way to attain wellness rather than avoiding diseases. I want to see a happy and healthy world. I want to see doctors, be they medical doctors, holistic medical practitioners, to cooperate more, together serve our brothers and sisters. I think together we can make it happen. I want to educate people that health is achievable. I want to teach them the knowledge and the skill to do that. And I want to teach young people, even medical doctor, to practice holistic medicine. Together, we can create a healthy world. Be yourself. Do your best.